Children, today we can discuss questions, long answer type questions from the same lesson, organism and population. Okay. See here, observe the age pyramids of different populations given below and write about the status of the population. So here both the types are given. So how can we answer the question? So we can write like this. Following are the interpretations. Okay. In figure A, the base of the pyramid shaped age pyramid is huge in comparison to the reproductive and post-reproductive phase of population. It indicates that the population would increase quickly, isn't it? But in figure B, this inverted bell-shaped structure denotes that both the reproductive and pre-reproductive phases are the same, indicating the stability in the population. That means it will be stable age pyramid, stable population. But here in figure C, this urn-shaped structure denotes clearly that both the reproductive and pre-reproductive phases are less than the post-reproductive phases of the particular population. It indicates that it has more of older people, denoting declination in the population. So you can expect these type of diagrams. Okay, please don't expect the same diagrams as in our textbook, but according to the diagram you should interpret it and you should write your descriptions. Okay, then next question, interpret the following growth curve. Okay, here they given dn by dt is equal to Rn k minus n by k only. So it will be logistic growth curve. If we know that in exponential growth curve, a J-shaped curve is for exponential and this S-shaped curve for logistic one. So it is a logistic growth curve which is presumed to be more realistic as an ecosystem does not provide infinite resources in a habitat. So here R denotes carrying capacity. So here we can represent the carrying capacity and N represent population density. That is the number of species of a population per unit area is for the expected increase of intrinsic rate. Okay. So both the graph may be come for examination. So according to the diagram, you should write your interpretation. Keep it in mind. In exponential growth curve, a J-shaped curve will give and this S-shaped curve denote the logistic one and it is more realistic. Isn't it? The exponential one is only theoretical. It is not possible in a population because if resources are unlimited only that condition will occur, but here this logistic one is more realistic one. Next question, describe the different kinds of positive interactions that takes place between different species. So which are the three types of interactions? You know that positive or beneficial, negative or detrimental, then neutral interaction. Know that mutualism, commensalism and scavenging, proto-cooperation, they are positive examples and you can write all the examples given in our textbook. So now in revised syllabus only mutualism is there, even though you read all the biological interactions. Okay. Then explain the adaptations of the animal parasites while living in and on the host species with suitable example. So listed below are the adaptations. So first one, which are the parasitic adaptations? The lack of unwanted sense organs as seen in mites, fleas and lice. That means absence of wings. Then they possess suckers to stick onto the host as observed in leeches and tapeworms. Then the absence of digestive system as seen in tapeworm. Then increased reproductive capacity. Example, roundworms, reproductive massive progeny. Okay. So these are the important questions. So you read the textbook thoroughly. Okay, children. Then try to answer the text by questions, exercise questions. Most of the questions are direct questions. Okay, after reading the textbook, try to find answers for that questions. Okay, so let study well.